Another mechanical tip with Fletch. Today we're going to install a rain gauge, one just like this. Now you might be saying to yourselves, what the bloody hell has this got to do with cars? Well, let me tell you something, this has got everything to do with a car, because I found this in a boot. First of all, you've got to find a good practical place for the bloody thing. Oh yeah, this pole here's the go. Alright, just position and mark where you have to drill. Just there. When you drill, don't pussyfoot around with a small drill. Use something that's going to cut the mustard. The bloody thing's in reverse. When the bloody hell does it start the friggin' hole? Jesus. In the end, this 1/8 double ender stub drill bit probably going to do the trick better. Then just screw her. There you go. Mounted rain gauge. Okay, here we go. We've mounted our rain gauge successfully, screwed there to the post, and oh, hang on. Oh, hang on, this is no good. It's under a bloody roof. How's that going to get any water in there? Successfully have mounted the rain gauge. Water comes down from the clouds, enters into here, shows us a reading of the rain. There is one fault though. Have you picked it? Have you actually picked it? Well, I have, and I'll tell you, let you in on the secret. It's mounted the wrong way around. Undo it. Turn it the right way around. There you go. Successfully mounted rain gauge. I don't know still how that's going to work. How's that going to work? No one told me that it had to be taken out of its wrapper. And no one told me I had to test it either. Test it? I'll give you test it. I'll give you bloody water it. Let me test it.